Hey guys, what's up? Out here fishing for some bluegill for tonight. I think I'm getting a bite. Yeah, they took my bait. So, out here at this golf course pond by our lake house, I'm gonna try and catch some big catfish tonight on these bluegills that we're catching. Trying to find a place to set my phone. So, hopefully we catch some. We've already got one in the bucket. I'm recording this on my phone because I forgot my GoPro. So hopefully we catch some. I'll try and get some on video, but more than likely I won't. So, sorry about that if I don't. But I should get some nice fights of fighting a catfish or something if we catch some. It's really windy out. We tried to go out on the main lake to drive to a pond that we know of. Oh, that was the wind blowing my rod. I ripped off my bait there. We tried to go out and on the main lake to go to a different pond, but it was too windy, so we didn't get to do that. I just caught my second one of the day. Caught him on this hot dog. He kind of swallowed it. Focus, camera. And hopefully I can get it out and he'll still be alive tonight. So here's our stringer. There's our bucket. I just brought the bucket over here. So I'm going to switch these over there. And then hopefully I'll catch some more. Alright, show us. Holy crap, he caught a crappie.
On corn.
Like, bring it over, swing it over here. Like, that is a legit crappie, Dad. Holy crap.
I thought it was a bass.
We might have had crappie been striking earlier. Dude just caught a nicer bluegill than what we've been catching.
Mouth.
Throw him back, he's too big.
Dude, look at this crappie. Holy crap.
Holy crap!
Oh my god.
That's a big crappie!
Holy
Holy
snatch.
crap! Bring it over, swing it over, swing it over, swing it over.
Oh my god!
Holy!
You're looking like a pro.
Cut the swallow last night.
I'm gonna leave about one rod.
Decent one. Alright, let's go ahead and release him. Since we didn't catch any more. Oh yeah, he's fine. I just caught this almost 2-pounder. Nice fat, it's probably spawning. Gonna let him go. Caught him on the wacky rig. Miles over here fishing too.